রাখবেন।
কেমন হইতেছে? হ্যাঁ এটা ধরিস।
আজকের এই অনুষ্ঠানের সকল আয়োজককে আমি আমার প্রাণঢালা অভিনন্দন জানাচ্ছি 2000 সনের ব্যাচের পক্ষ থেকে। Actually, to see this function reunion, I'm wondered, and it's a wonderful occasion. Especially, I thank Habib Rahman Badal, my uncle engineer, and all teachers, respected teachers, experienced teachers are here on the stage. So I have been very much nostalgic. I cannot express what I learned from them in my student life from 2000, from class 6 to 10. Today I have been, an English assistant professor at Rahmati Alam Islami Mission Tasga, Dhaka, and I'm very much proud, or I feel proud that I have been lecturer